we've been doing this vinegar here for about a week and a half, and I think it's pretty good. So got our daily dose and it's going down the hatch. Oh yeah, love that. Chunks of garlic, the dill, little cilantro.
Morgan just passed out.
Good to go. More, please.
You do?
Yeah, I'd do another one.
I'll be back. Do you know what Dagney wants to do with that shot of vinegar, or the jug? She wants me to go find a jar of green or Greek olives. And she was saying it would go great with tequila. So now she just threw some cilantro on the top. Okay,
Hey,
see ya. Oh, you're gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it.
All down?
All down. Down the hatch.
And she's chewing it. Oh God, I can't take it. It'd be empty. Mine's still sitting here getting warm. It actually tastes better at a little room temperature than refrigerator.
Oh,
What?
love that cilantro.